Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by verifying you have a pivot-capable monitor or a VESA-compatible stand. You need that hardware to rotate safely. You'll remove cables and free the stand. Do it now, so you can access the mounting plate. Once the stand is detached, attach the VESA bracket or align the pivot mechanism. Make sure screws are snug but not over-tightened. You're preparing the physical rotation now, which prevents wobble and keeps ports accessible. This prevents rework later and sets up a stable portrait mount. With the bracket secured, lift the monitor with steady support and attach it to the arm or stand. You rotate the screen to 90 degrees slowly, hold it and guide the mechanism, because abrupt turns can stress connectors. Once in portrait, tighten any adjustment knobs and check tilt and height so your eye line aligns 1/3 down from top. Then reconnect power and display cables, leaving a gentle slack. This preserves cable life and guarantees a stable, ergonomic portrait orientation you can use immediately. Now configure your operating system. Open display settings, select the rotated portrait orientation, and apply the change so your cursor and windows match the screen. You'll likely adjust scaling and resolution to keep text readable. Increase scaling if UI elements look tiny. Arrange taskbar or dock where it's convenient. Make one more ergonomic check for neck and viewing angle. If the display is blank or upside down, check cable seating. Update or reinstall the display driver, and retry rotation to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.